My name is Atharva. I am studying LKG in Self-Phenomenal Group of Institutions, Chandapura.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tirunelveli; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Kanpur; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Patna; Uttarakhand, Kerala; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Kanti, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Jayasi, Ramasamy Venkatarama, Venkataya Sharma, K.R. Nayanar, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sushila Nanda, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka: Angaraya Reddy, Angalanturaya, Kadidar Manjappa, S. Lingappa, B.D. Jatti, S.M. Kanti, Neelam Virendra Patil, Virendra Jaras, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Yankade, S. Mumbai, S. Bangarappa, M. Mirappa Valli, H.D. Deve Gowda, Jayat Patel, S.M. Krishna, Jaram Singh, V.V. Sananda Gowda, Jagadish Shettar, Siddaramaiah, Kumaraswamy, V.S. Yediyurappa, Basuraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
Religions of India.
Religions of India:
Hinduism.
Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Gogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana, Mahabharata.
National festivals.
National Festival: Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Indian festivals.
Indian Festival: Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Most popular international airports.
Most popular international airports: Indira Gandhi Airport in Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Delhi, Bengaluru.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satalia, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Bharatanatyam, Gommanteshwara statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi temple in Karnataka, Onam Sun temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Pia, Khajuraho group of monuments in Madhya Pradesh, Onam temple in Punjab.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world: the Great Wall of China, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, Ishnu-Renta, Colosseum, Personal Joda. Teacher is the
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties:
Chalukya dynasty.
Charukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Yutta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
Helpful doctors.
Helpful doctor: general physician, pediatrician, children specialist, urologist, not specialist, gynecologist, female specialist, psychiatrist, mental illness, nephrologist, kidney specialist,
Pulmonologist.
pulmonologist, respiratory organ, ophthalmologist, eye specialist, oncologist, cancer specialist, dermatologist, skin specialist, gastroenterologist, stomach specialist, cardiologist, heart specialist, dentist, teeth specialist.
Jyotirlinga temples.
Jyotirlinga temple, Vishneshwara temple, Kedarnath temple, Kashi Vishwanath temple, Nageshwara temple, Ramasama Swami temple, Bhimashankara temple, Baidyanatham, Ankaleshwara and Mamaleshwara temple, Mahakaleshwara temple, Mallikarjuna temple, Sona temple.
10 Mukya Upanishads.
Chamukya Upanishad, Isavyaso Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Prudhankya Upanishad.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Arban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkamangaluru, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwada, Gadaga, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Koragu, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Armangra, Raichur, Shivamonga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yatkiri.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Naimari, State of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Thank you.